Welcome back to Applelnsider, where we go beyond the specs and straight into what truly matters for your tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated flagships of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's making some serious claims. But does it live up to the hype? Whether you're a die-hard Samsung fan or a curious Apple user peeking over the fence, this deep dive will give you everything you need to know. No fluff, no bias, just the facts, the feel, and the future of one of 2025's most talked about smartphones. Let's get into it. Number 1. Design and build quality. From the moment you pick up the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's clear this phone was built to impress. Samsung has continued its tradition of premium design, but this year, they've taken it a step further. The frame is crafted from what Samsung calls Titanium Armor 2.0, a subtle evolution from last year, and it feels absolutely rock solid in the hand. It's lighter than the S24 Ultra despite the same massive screen size, thanks to refined structural engineering and material optimization. On the back, the Gorilla Glass Victus 3 finish now has a silky matte coating that resists fingerprints better than ever. It catches the light in a way that's elegant but never flashy, subtle enough for professionals, yet stylish enough for trendsetters. Samsung has offered new color options this time, including a rich midnight graphite, a soft alpine blue, and an exclusive aura white that's only available on Samsung's website. The button placement is precise. No accidental presses. The click feedback is satisfying. And finally, Samsung has trimmed the bezels to almost nothing. The S25 Ultra looks like a slab of uninterrupted OLED glory. Even the camera bumps have been rethought. Instead of sharp rings, each lens now sits flush with a smooth contoured base, minimizing the wobble when it's laid flat. IP68 water and dust resistance is here, of course, and it's slightly more robust this time around. Samsung says the internal seals and coatings can now withstand even saltwater exposure for brief periods. That's a small but significant improvement for travelers and adventurers. Overall, the design is not just premium, it's practical. The S Pen still tucks neatly into its holster at the bottom left, and somehow the phone feels more balanced in hand than before. For a phone this big, that's no small feat. That wraps up the intro and Keynote 1. Would you like me to continue with Keynote 2 and beyond, one at a time or in a full script drop?